EZ Demonic Feta. Demonic Feta! I'm losing to some cheese! I'm losing... Oh, I've instigated the King Tower like an idiot. Right, come on, I'm not going to lose to a Feta cheese. I refuse. I refuse to lose to a Feta cheese. To the Feta cheese blues. Oh, there's a mole man! Get on there! Right, I know I'm over leveled. Don't bother mentioning it. We all know that. It's not fair. It's just because otherwise I wouldn't go. You stop him. And you go, piggy people. Go, go, go. Go, go, piggy people. Go, go. Don't go there! I put the piggy... I was meant to put them over there. I made a mistake. Come on, let's get on that. You go there. Oh, it's Evo woman as well. Look. It's Evo Valkyrie. Come on, come on. Go, 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 go. Right. Oh, God, that's annoying. He put the tower down. So what's happening? It's overtime and it's equal. Yay! That was exciting.